Hi friends, I Narasimha Rao Aramini. Today we are discussing important topic in chemical bond. Important topic in chemical bond, that is nothing but MO theory. MO theory. In previous classes already we discussed what are the postulates of molecular orbital theory, and also we can define the bond order of N2 molecule and O2 molecule. In this class we discussing about how determine the bond order of heterodiatomic molecules, and moreover how to predict the magnetic nature of compounds, either homodiatomic molecules or heterodiatomic molecules. Okay, like that. Here in this video the main contents are how to determine the MO theory for heterodiatomic molecules. Okay, and next one magnetic nature, and next one is magnetic nature of homodiatomic molecules and heterodiatomic molecules. These are the two main contents of this video. Okay, first MO theory for heterodiatomic molecule. Similarly, there are two different electronic configurations. Molecular orbital configurations are also there for heterodiatomic molecules. In case of homodiatomic molecules, we can define the two series of electronic configuration orders. Okay, one order is for the molecule which contain less than or equal to 14 electrons, and another one is greater than or equal to 14 electrons. Similarly, that same series order is follow in these heterodiatomic molecules also. If the any molecule or ion having less than or equal to 14 electrons, we follow this electronic configuration order, that is nothing but sigma star and sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Then the electrons are entered into pi 2px, then pi 2py, like that. Then only the electrons are entered into sigma 2pz. In case of the molecule which contain more than 15 electrons, okay, more than 14 electrons, it means here the first electrons are entered into sigma 2pz electrons, after then only they enter into pi 2px and pi 2py. That is the difference between the below or equal to 14 electrons, above the 14 electrons. Okay, that is a little bit of configuration. The best example of this configuration is Cn minus. Here the number of electrons of carbon is 6. The number of electrons present in this nitrogen is 7. Total number of electrons are 13. So only 13 electrons are present in Cn molecule. That's why we have to follow this order. 13 means less than or equal to 14. That's why we follow this order only. Okay, here one negative charge is present. That's why we add one electron. So here one negative charge is present. Totally 13 plus 1 electron is present. So totally 14 electrons are present. So 14 electrons are entered into various molecular orbitals like this. First the electrons are entered into sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Then the electrons are entered. This is the crucial step. Pi 2px2. First one electron is entered into pi 2px, another electron is entered into pi 2p. Okay, according to Wundt's rule, the degenerate orbitals are in case of degenerate orbitals, electrons are pairing after each orbital filled with one electron. That's why electrons are entered into, first one electron is entered into 2px, then enter into 2py, then only pairing starts. So totally here 4 electrons are entered, then only the electron enter into sigma 2pz orbital. So like this is the electronic configuration. There is no more electron enter into pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Why? Because only 14 electrons are present in the Cn minus molecule. So that 14 electrons are entered into various 7 molecular orbitals like this by following this order. After this we can calculate the bond order. Bond order is nothing but Nb minus Na by 2. It is here number of Nb means number of bonding electrons, Na means number of anti-bonding electrons. Bonding electrons means the electrons which entered orbital without star is considered as a bonding electron. Here totally 5 bonding orbitals are there, molecular orbitals are there. So each orbital is filled with 2 electrons. So totally 10 electrons are present. Similarly, antibonding electrons, the electrons which enter into our molecular orbitals with star are considered as antibonding electrons. That antibonding electrons destabilize the molecule. Bonding electrons stabilize the molecule. Why? Because the bonding electrons decrease the repulsions between the two nucleus, or they are present between the two nucleus. But in case of antibonding electrons, they are present outface the nucleus. They are not present between the nucleus. They causes the repulsions between the nuclei. That's why antibonding electrons destabilize the molecule. So totally 4 electrons are present, 4 antibonding electrons are present. That's why 6 by 2, the value is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. It means 3 bonds are, bond order is equal to 3. Bond order means nothing but number of bonds present between the 2 atoms in a molecule is called bond order. So totally here the bond order is 3, that's why 3 bonds are present between the carbon and nitrogen. Like this we can calculate the bond order of heterodiatomic molecules also. Heterodiatomic molecules also, like that. Similarly, if the molecule has more than 14 electrons, in that case we follow this order. The electronic configuration of molecular orbitals is like that. Here, after sigma star 1s2, first electrons enter into 2pz orbitals. Then only they enter into pi 2px, pi 2py orbital. But in case of less than or equal to 14 electrons, first the electrons enter into 2pz. After filling sigma star 2s, they enter into pi 2px, pi 2py, then only they enter into sigma 2pz. But in this case, the molecule which contain more than 14 electrons, the order is like this. The best example is NO. Here nitrogen contains 7 electrons, oxygen contains 8 electrons, the total number of electrons are 15. That's why in this case the order is like this. This is the electronic configuration of NO minus. NO minus means 15 plus 1 electron, that is nothing but 16 electrons. The 16 electrons are entered into these orbitals like this. Okay, here the bond order, here also we can calculate the bond order. Bond order formula is Nb minus Na by 2. Nb means number of bonding electrons, Na means number of antibonding electrons. Here total number of bonding electrons are sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma 2p z2 and pi 2p x2, pi 2p y2. All these are considered as a bonding electrons. So totally 10 bonding electrons are present. And antibonding electrons are like this: sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p x1, pi 2p y1. Totally 6 antibonding electrons are present by 2. So here the value is 6 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. So only 2 bonds are present between the nitrogen and oxygen, like this. 2 bonds are present between the nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, like this we can calculate the bond order for not only this NO minus, we can calculate the NO and NO plus also. NO plus also. NO means it has only 15 electrons. NO plus means it has only 14 electrons. Only 14 electrons. So like O2 plus, O2 minus, N2 plus, N2 minus. Like that we can calculate the bond order of NO plus, NO minus also. Like this. Like this we can calculate the bond order of heterodiatomic molecules also. And moreover, this is the formula is used to calculate the magnetic nature. Generally, in that molecular orbitals, all molecular orbitals are having paired electrons. Paired electrons. That is considered as a diamagnetic. If any in that molecular orbital series configurations, any orbital has unpaired of electrons. Unpaired electrons, even though it contains one unpaired electrons, it is considered as a paramagnetic nature. Here, this is the formula to calculate the magnetic nature. The units of magnetic nature is Bohr magnet. Here N is equal to number of unpaired electrons. If N is equal to 0, N is equal 0, it is considered as a diamagnetic. N is equal 0, it is considered as a diamagnetic. Okay, if you know the N value, you must write the electronic configuration. If you calculate the bond order, you must write the electronic configuration. If you want to write the electronic configuration, you calculate the number of electrons in that entire molecule. First step is calculation of number of electrons, and second step is that electrons are filled into various molecular orbitals by follow the energy order, and third one is predict the bond order and magnetic nature. Okay, like this. If N is equal to greater than 0, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, then it is considered as a paramagnetic substance, like that. If N is equal to 0, it is considered as diamagnetic. If N is equal to greater than 0, it means 1, 2, 3, 4 values. It considered as a paramagnetic substance. Like this, we can calculate we can define the magnetic nature of given molecule. Okay, either it is diamagnetic or it is paramagnetic. Okay, this is the electronic configuration order. Okay, like less than 14 electrons or greater than 14 electrons, like that. Now we can solve some previous IIT JEE questions about this MO theory. Here I observed, to collect this previous questions, most of the times they ask the question about this regarding this molecular orbital theory, or they asked like hybridization, concept of hybridization. So many times they asked either from molecular orbital theory or from the concept of hybridization. So these two concepts are very, very important. Okay, here the first question is, the bond order in NO is 2.5 while that in NO plus is 3. Which of the following statement is true for these two species? Okay, the first option is the bond order, and they asking about the statement. The bond length of NO is greater than that of the NO. NO plus is greater than NO. We know that bond. We know that here bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. It is a familiar question. It is a familiar point. Bond order is increased, bond length is decreased. Here the bond NO is 2.5, NO plus is 3. NO plus has more. NO plus has more bond order value. That's why this is bond length in NO plus is greater than, it is wrong. It is wrong option. And the bond length in the first option, the bond length in NO is greater than that of the NO plus. Okay, this is the correct option. If it is wrong, automatically it is correct. Both are quite opposite. So you can easily select the options. The point is, the concept is bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Here there is no necessity to calculate the bond order also. They give the values of bond order. If you know this concept, this point, you can easily answer the question. Okay, like this. Questions are asked. This question is asked in AIEEE 2004 exams. Okay, like that. And another question is, the species NO, NO minus, NO plus, NO plus 2, the ion with minimum bond strength is. Here also the correct option we can select from these two. This question is asked in JEE 2009. Recently asked this question, JEE 2020 exams. Here the bond enthalpy or bond strength is directly proportional to bond order. Directly proportional to bond order. The molecule which has more bond order, the molecule which has, the species which has more bond order is having more strength or enthalpy. Sometimes they ask enthalpy also. So we can calculate the bond order by using the electronic configuration order. Here in this case, this contain this NO contain 15 electrons. Why? Because 7 plus 8, 15 electrons. In case of NO minus, it contains 16 electrons. In case of NO plus, it contains 14 electrons. And in case of NO plus 2, it contains only NO plus 2 means it contains 13 electrons, like this. Okay, then we can calculate this molecule having greater than value. So here I write the electronic configuration. First electrons enter into sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, and then electron enter into sigma 2p z2, and the electrons are enter into pi 2p x2 is equal to pi 2p y2, pi 2p y2, like this. Here totally 14 electrons are filled. Then the difference is like this. All are commonly having 14 electrons. This one having only 13 electrons. So here the next electron enter into pi star 2px, and then electron enter into pi star 2p y and sigma star 2p z. Here in this case 15 electrons are present. So here up to 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, 14 electrons are entered like this. The 15 electron is entered into here. So the bond order, in this case bond order BO is equal to 10 minus 9 by 2. 10 minus 9 by 2 means it has 2.5. Bond order value of this NO5 is 2.5. Okay, we know that 16 electrons, like oxygen, it also having bond order is 2. Bond order is 2. Here in case of NO plus, bond order is 3. In case of NO2 plus, here the electrons are entered sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p z2. Here then the electrons are entering totally only pi 2px to pi 2p y1. Totally 14 electrons are entered in this manner. Here 0, 0 for this molecule, NO2 molecule. So the bond order of this molecule is, total number of electrons are 2 to 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. It is equal to 2.5. The bond order of this molecule is also 2.5. We know that bond order is directly proportional to bond strength. Here the bond order of NO is 2.5, NO minus is 2, NO plus is 3 and NO2 plus is 2.5. So in this species NO plus has more bond order, that's why it has more strength. The correct option is third option. The correct option is third option. Like that we can calculate the questions. Okay, these are the another question. The bond order and magnetic nature in Cn minus C is. The bond order and magnetic nature. Cn minus C. Here Cn contains Cn, C means carbon, it contains 6 plus 7 electrons, that is equal to 13, and one minus charge is present here. That's why we have to add one electron. Totally 14 electrons are present. If any molecule having, it is similar to that of the nitrogen. Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule. The electrons are entered into various molecular orbitals like this: sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma pi 2p x2 is equal to pi 2p y2 and sigma 2p z2. 14 electrons are entered into these 7 molecular orbitals. All are completely filled, and the bond order is also nothing but Nb minus Na by 2, that is equal to 10 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 3. So the correct option is the magnetic bond order is 3, and due to the absence of unpaired electrons, it has a magnetic nature like this. We can calculate the bond orders. Okay, and this question is asked at JEE 2020 exams. Very, very easy questions. Okay, if you know the concept, we can answer the questions like this. And the next one is, among the following species, the diatomic molecule is dash. Diatomic diamagnetic molecule is dash. Diamagnetic means which has unpaired electrons, which doesn't have unpaired electrons. All completely filled. So here also diamagnetic nature. Here also we can easily answer the questions like if you know the here total number of electrons are carbon has 6 plus oxygen has 8, so 14 electrons are present. In case of B2, 5 plus 5, 10 electrons are present, only 10 electrons are present. In case of O2, 16 electrons are present. In case of NO, here 15 electrons are present. Here 15 electrons are present. In both cases, 15 electrons, 16 electrons, we know that it has electronic configuration of O2, it has electronic configuration of O2 plus, both are paramagnetic substance. Paramagnetic substance. Already we calculated in the previous slides. Okay, time processing course. Okay, just for time saving. Here, in case of B2, 10 electrons is present. In case of CO, 14 electrons are present. 14 electrons means it has nitrogen configuration, so we know that nitrogen is a diamagnetic. Okay, the species diamagnetic means the correct option is CO. The correct option is CO. CO is diamagnetic. If you know the 14 electrons means it has nitrogen configuration. Nitrogen configuration, we know that already we calculated. Nitrogen is a diamagnetic substance. Oxygen is a O2, O2 plus is a O2 minus also paramagnetic substance. Okay, like that. This question is also in JEE 2015 exam. JEE 2015 exam. So there are so many questions are there, but due to the lack of the time, this is also asked in 2015 exam. The question is which of the following species expected to be stabilized by the anion formation C2, NO, O2, O2. Stabilization means after formation of anion, it means one electron is present. We have to calculate the bond order of C2 minus, NO minus, O2 minus, F2 minus. Okay, like this. We have to calculate the bond order of these molecules. After calculating the bond order, we can answer the questions. The correct option is here also CO. Okay, and the next one is which of the following species exhibit the diamagnetic behavior? The similar questions. If you know the electronic, after writing the electronic configuration, we can answer the questions. Okay, this question is asked in AEEE 2014. Whatever may be, I hope you all you are understood very well. Okay, regarding this calculate the diamagnetic nature of diatomic molecules, homodiatomic molecules and heterodiatomic molecules, and calculate the bond order for the heterodiatomic molecules. Okay, thank you. Yours Erramaneni Narasimharao. Okay.